YouTube ads is a great deal. If you kind of person wants to make money on YouTube, if you're wondering if there's any way you can be able to maximize your revenue because you're earning a little on YouTube, then this video is right for you. Because in this video, I'm going through the 5 ad formats that you need to know so that you can use them and maximize your profit. So many people are not been making enough money on YouTube because they have neglected or they have been kind of following a single style or one style of ad on their video, and that's it. So please, YouTube will never penalize you for using all those formats of ads on your video. However, you need to consider the length of your video, which is something really great. So please, this video is going to answer the question how the YouTube ads work. So I'm going to take you through the 5 YouTube ads formats, which is something which will help you to maximize and really generate revenue in the right way on YouTube. And hey, if you're just meeting, my name is Paul Bolakol. I'm a social media strategist and as well as a content creator on YouTube. In this channel, we sometimes do tech gear review and as well as teach skills and the tools that you need for you to succeed as a YouTuber and as well as a content creator. And please, you have to subscribe to this channel if you have not yet, so that you're always notified whenever we upload any new content. So please like this video also, because to be able to help other people to be able to access it, and also do us the favor of sharing this video. If it is valuable content, please share with others so that they can also benefit on YouTube. And please, let's dive in. Need to know about these ads is that these ads can be seen in different kind of devices. It can be seen on desktop, it can be seen on laptops, mobile phones, game consoles, TVs, and other gadgets are there. So these kind of ads are having different formats, the places where they are placed, and that the duration that has valid. So please, let's get to number 1 ad, that is the display ad. So display ads appears on the right side of your video and on top of the suggestion list. So this ad format has a size of 300 by 250 pixels, and it can be an image or it can be a text. So it can be seen on desktop, mobiles, and laptop, which is one of the key requirements. The second format of a video ad is the overlay ad. So this is a semi-transparent kind of ad, and it has a size of 468 by 60 pixels, and it covers the 20% portion of the video. So it always appears down somewhere from a kind of a rectangle. So that's kind of a format that mostly appears. So it can be seen both on mobile, laptop, and desktop, which is a kind of a format that is something really good. And it is there that covers, that down part, that lower part of the video. So I don't know whether you're seeing anything now, or maybe this content is not yet monetized. If you're seeing anything, it might be monetized. If you're not seeing anything, this content is not yet monetized. So the other third format of ad is the skippable ad. As the name sounds, this kind of ad appears in the entire screen of the video. So it covers the full screen. However, it has a duration of 3 minutes. That's a great time, right? 3 minutes, but it can be skippable once it surpasses 6 seconds. So in other words, I'm saying it has 3 minutes, but it is skippable after 6 seconds. So once seconds clocks, automatically you can skip that video. That's why once the video start playing, the ad starts displaying, then you will see it counts the time. So once this is 6 seconds, it gets somewhere skipped. So you can be able to skip this kind of ads once it's reached that 6 seconds. So it covers the entire screen. It is skippable after 6 seconds, and it can be seen on mobile phone, DSTVs, and other gadgets that I've mentioned before. So it's something that can be seen all over because it covers the entire screen. So if you're on mobile, DSTV, or game, let me say game consoles, then that's what happens there. So it covers the entire screen. So the other fourth ad is the non-skippable format. Just like the skippable format, what makes it different is that this covers the entire screen as the same as skippable one, but there is a non-skippable video that is inserted before, after, or during the video. However, it runs for 20 seconds. So this 20 seconds you cannot do anything, you just have to leave the ads to display as the times start clicking from 2019 until when it reaches 0, that's when automatically it just disappears. So that kind of ad is really important because it gives you as a content creator to the advertisers, so that their content goes out, the advertising target reach out to the audience, so that they cannot be able to skip it. So it depends on you. If you kind of like that kind of a format, that is something really good, that you can also make sure that people watch the entire 20 seconds of that video, so that they can be able to get a glimpse of whatever that video is all about. And that's why it's really important for you to know this kind of format. So it can be seen on all those, let me say, on desktop, laptop, so let's say all the other devices, but the duration is only for 20 seconds. But the skippable ad is 3 minutes ad. However, it becomes skippable after 6 seconds. But this one is non-skippable because it stays there for only the 20 seconds, and then it disappears. So that's a very nice kind of ad that you have to consider when you're using it. So the last video ad is the bumper, which is the number 5th. The bumper ads, just like the non-skippable and the skippable one. However, what makes it different is that the duration is only 6 seconds. So this kind of ads cover the entire screen, and the non-skippable video ad is inserted before and after the video. However, it stays there for only 6 seconds. It is just there. The duration actually is for 6 seconds. So it can run for that length of time, and again, you can just also disappear after the 6 seconds. So that's what it is, and it can be watched on desktop, laptop, and also on TV. It's just something really great that you can be able to apply. So until then, I think you have understood what are those different formats of ads that people are using, which I think all of them are here. Starting from the display ad, the overlay ad, the skippable ad, the non-skippable, and then the bumper. These are the 5 formats of ad that are there on YouTube. So if a kind of person wants to maximize your earning, then considering the YouTube ad is something really great for you to earn revenue from it. So the entire thing are all good. So what you all need to do is how you can meet those requirements. When coming to ads on YouTube, that's what it's all about. With YouTube ad revenue, you can be able to earn a lot of money. You have no limitation on what you can earn. Through all different kind of videos that you make, you can be able to earn a lot of money. However, there are certain requirements that you have to meet for you to start earning money with ad on YouTube. For the YouTube Partner Program, you have to get the 4,000 hours of watch time, 1,000 subscribers, 2-step verification, and 0 copyright strike on your channel. These are the requirements that you need for you to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, and that's one of the first way you can earn money, because on YouTube Partner Program there are 5 streams of income that you can get. However, there's that number one, that the ad program. That's one of the key requirements that you have to consider, maximize your profit on that, and that's one of the main source of revenue that always you get your money, and that's the first one that you can be able to have an access to it once you're eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. But that does not mean that if you are below that eligibility threshold, like those requirements that I've already mentioned, because YouTube has so far have introduced what we call the YouTube Shorts, where any new content creator can still earn money through the ad revenue. So you can earn money through the ad revenue on the YouTube Shorts, through the YouTube Short Fund, because YouTube has committed actually the $100 million so they can be able to support a new content creator. So the YouTube Shorts, where people also monetize them through displaying ads. That's what YouTube does. So what you need to make is you be within the eligible country and you can be able to earn money on YouTube. So having that complete knowledge, or having that comprehensive knowledge about the YouTube ads is something really great, because if you make use of it, you can be able to make. And please know that YouTube pays you for the ads that have been viewed, or the ads that have been watched by the viewer. So consider using the right format so that the viewers can have access to that. And if you said you use the format of a video, of ads that the viewer cannot be able to spend little minutes or seconds to view it, then you cannot generate revenue from it. So having, let's say, this non-skippable ad format, which is something really good that for you to be able to consider. Or maybe you can also use the bumper ad, or else you can also use what we call the skippable ads or the overlay ads, because all of them seems to have a duration that you consider. So consider this kind of format as something good. But what's very important all for you to maximize your earning when coming into the ad is the length of your video. So YouTube so far is trying to recommend a video that's more than 10 minutes. So if your videos are likely getting below than 10 minutes, that is something not good. So you have to work on your time, but make sure don't compromise quality when coming to your content. So try by all means to give a valuable content out there so that people can be able to watch, because when coming to YouTube, it's all about watch time, click-through rate, audience retention. The more you keep audience on YouTube, the more you keep people watching your videos, the more your videos will go viral. So considering this thing is something really important, this is starting point for you to earn revenue. So please, you can have a video even for more than 15 minutes or even 20. And there you can be able to feed, you can fix even all those. When you have a video for instance 30 minutes, then you can set all those formats of video. After 6 minutes, after 6 minutes, after 6 minutes, you can insert all the 5 formats. I think that's right. The mathematics 6 times 5, that is already 30. So that is 30 minutes that you have in a video, and everything is good to go. So you can maximize your profit, you can earn revenue. Because meeting this threshold, reaching this level is a great achievement for you, and you will never regret of starting a YouTube journey. So please, if you're not subscribed to the channel again, please subscribe to this channel, give us a like, and I'm going to see you in the next video.